One of the most important and one of the most terrifying chapters is this chapter, Chapter 2, in George Orwell's 1984. In this chapter, we discover how Big Brother and the totalitarian party gain, maintain, and perpetuate their control through indoctrination. They indoctrinate the population through propaganda, and they begin at the beginning with the very young. They indoctrinate the youth through the spies. Hey there, I'm Josh Cashill, and welcome to Inglés Essencial. Make sure you stick around after the reading of Chapter 2, because we are going to have a brief but very important pronunciation practice with the TH sound, the th and th of English. There's a really important paragraph here, and I'd like to show it to you so we can practice it together. Also, make sure you check out my website, inglesessencial.com. There you will have the translation into Portuguese, the full text in English, and the audio for you to listen to as you go. So, join me with Chapter 2, The Spies. Chapter 2, The Spies. As he opens the door, Winston sees that he left the diary open on the table. "Down with Big Brother" is written in it in letters you can almost read across the room. But everything is all right. A small, sad-looking woman is standing outside. "Oh, Comrade Smith," she says in a low, little voice, "do you think you could come across to my flat and help me with our kitchen sink? The water is filling up the sink and—" It is Mrs. Parsons, his neighbor. She is about 30, but looks much older. Winston follows her into her flat. These repairs happen almost daily. The Victory Mansion's flats are old, built in about 1930, and they are falling to pieces. Unless you do the repairs yourself, the party has to agree to them. It could take 2 years to get new glass in a window. "Tom isn't home," Mrs. Parsons explains. The Parsons flat is bigger than Winston's and unattractive in a different way. Everything is broken. There are sports clothes and sports equipment all over the floor, and dirty dishes on the table. On the walls are the red flags of the Young People's League and the Spies, and a full-sized poster of Big Brother. There is the usual smell of old food, but also the smell of old sweat. In another room, someone is singing with the marching music that is still coming from the telescreen. "It's the children," says Mrs. Parsons, looking in fear at the door to the other room. "They haven't been out of the flat today, and of course—" She often stops without finishing her sentences. In the kitchen, the sink is full of dirty green water. "Of course, if Tom was home," Mrs. Parsons starts. Tom Parsons works with Winston at the Ministry of Truth. He is a fat but active man who is unbelievably stupid and full of enthusiasm. He is a follower with no mind of his own. the type of follower that the party needs even more than they need the thought police. At 35, Tom Parsons was only recently dismissed from the Young People's League, although he wanted to stay. Before that, he continued in the Spies for a year beyond the official age. At the ministry, he has a job which needs no intelligence, but he works for the party every evening, organizing walks and other activities. The smell of his sweat fills every room he is in and stays there after he leaves. Winston repairs the sink, taking out the unpleasant ball of hair that is stopping the water from running away. He washes his hands and goes back to the other room. "Put up your hands!" shouts a voice. A big, handsome boy of 9 is pointing a toy gun at him. His small sister, about 2 years younger, points a piece of wood. Both are dressed in the blue, gray, and red uniforms of the Spies. Winston puts his hands up. The look of hate on the boy's face makes him feel that it is not quite a game. "You're a Eurasian spy!" screams the boy. "You're a thought criminal. I'll shoot you. I'll vaporize you." Suddenly, they are both running around him, shouting, "Spy! Thought criminal!" The little girl does everything seconds after her older brother. It is frightening, like the games of young, dangerous, wild animals before they grow to be man-eaters. Winston can see that the boy really wants to hit or kick him, and is nearly big enough to do so. He is glad that the gun in the boy's hand is only a toy. "They wanted to see the Eurasian prisoners hang, but I'm too busy to take them, and Tom's at—" "We want to see them hang!" shouts the boy, and then the girl starts shouting it too. Some Eurasian prisoners, guilty of war crimes against Oceania, are going to hang slowly in the park that evening. This happens every month or two and is a popular entertainment in the evening. Parents often take their children to see it. Winston says goodbye to Mrs. Parsons and walks towards the door. He hears a loud noise as a bomb falls. About 20 or 30 of them are falling on London each week. Then he feels a terrible pain in the back of his neck. He turns and sees Mrs. Parsons trying to take some stones from her son's hand. "Goldstein!" screams the boy. But Winston is most shocked by the look of helpless terror on Mrs. Parsons' gray face. We are going to talk about something less terrifying, less horrible, unless you think that the English TH sound is terrifying and horrible, as I know some of you do. That's why I want to work on this particular pronunciation part. Okay, the TH in English has 2 sounds. You have the unvoiced, unvibrating sound, like that, your tongue between your teeth, and the vibrating, voiced TH sound, which is th, and you can put your hand on your vocal cords and feel them vibrating. So here is the sentence that I was talking about in the introduction. I'm going to first read it in a normal speed for me, a native speaker. And then we're going to slow it down and look at each of the different TH sounds, okay? I will identify the unvoiced sound in blue and the vibrating voiced TH sound in red because it's red hot. All right. Let's go. He is a follower with no mind of his own. The type of follower that the party needs even more than they need the thought police. That sounds ridiculous, even when I say it. Okay, now let's slow it down, and I'm going to emphasize the different TH sounds, okay? He is a follower with no mind of his own. The type of follower that the party needs even more than they need the thought police. There are some combinations of word that begin with the TH sound. One more time. He is a follower with, unvoiced, with no mind of his own. The type of follower, voiced, that the party needs, two voiced, even more than they, two voiced, need the thought police, voiced, unvoiced. It's craziness. I understand the TH is a ridiculous sound, especially in this sentence. But there are only 26 words, I believe, and 8 of those words have the TH sound. That's a significant, that's 30%. 1 in 3 words has the TH. So now I'm going to put it all together, listen to it one more time, and use this version to practice, okay? Ready? Warm up the tongue. He is a follower with no mind of his own. The type of follower that the party needs even more than they need the thought police. He is a follower with no mind of his own. The type of follower that the party needs even more than they need the thought police. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me in Chapter 2. Remember, go to my site, inglesessencial.com, for the translation, audio, and text. Members, you will have access to the interactive ebook once it is finished. Join now to become a member and help out the channel. And everyone else, you can get the free PDF once the book is produced. And please, I hope you stay with me for the rest of this amazing and terrifying book, 1984. I will see you in Chapter 3. Bye-bye.